Hi guys, today is 30th August 2021. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here's short and brief news for today. Let's start without wasting our precious time. Activists raise concern over palm plant. The center's plan to promote oil palm plantation in northeast and Andaman, given the widespread destruction of rainforests and native biodiversity caused by all oil palm plantations in Southeast Asia. Environmental experts and politicians are warning that the Union government's move to promote their cultivation in the northeastern states and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands can be disastrous. It has been observed that the oil palm plant is a recipe for disaster. Meghalaya MP Agatha Sangma warned that the focus areas were biodiversity hotspots and ecologically fragile, and oil palm plantations would denude forest cover and destroy the habitat of endangered wildlife. Delhi government inaugurates 10 megawatt battery energy storage system. It will help decrease the burden of high demand for power can be charged with solar energy. Inauguration of a 10 megawatt battery energy storage system at the Tata Power Delhi Distribution Limited plant in Rohini. System could be charged with solar and other renewable sources of energy. The inauguration will be by the hands of Delhi Power Minister Satyendra Jain. The system of a new solar system of energy storage is designed in a way that it can be charged during off-peak power demand hours. The stored energy can be utilized during peak hours, thereby stabilizing the whole grid against fluctuations. India and Russia are expanding their ties. India and Russia are expecting to conclude a bilateral logistics agreement, reciprocal exchange of logistics agreement, and Navy-to-Navy cooperation memorandum of understanding when Russia Defense Minister General Sergei Shoigu visit India this year later. On the deal of S-400 defense system, the envoy in an exclusive interview said there are specific defense and national security considerations that led India to conclude the contract for the supply of S-400 systems. After commenting on the situation of Afghanistan, Mr. Verma said that it was imperative that India and Russia adapt their policies, whatever their policies were in the past. First Covaxin batch from Gujarat-based unit is out. It can make 1 crore doses per month. The first commercial batch of COVID-19 vaccine manufactured in Ankleshwar, Gujarat. 4 Indian boxers clinched gold medals. The names of the 4 boxers are Rohit, Bharat, Vishnu and Tanu. They clinched gold at the Asian Junior Boxing Championship in Dubai on top in the finals held on Sunday. Rohit Chamoli 48 kg, Bharat June 81 kg, Vishnu Rathi among girls 48 kg and Tanu who is also among girls 52 kg notched up contrasting victories in their summit clashes to bag the top prize. High jumper Nishad and paddler Bhavina bring chair with silver. We know that is bronze and makes the National Day Sports Day memorable for Indian Paralympics, which are being held in Tokyo, Japan. Thanks for watching. Do share and subscribe our channel.